Don't be like me. Yes, you heard me right. Don't be like me. If you're a fashion designer, a tailor, you sew, an upcoming, a beginner, whichever one it is, don't make the same mistake I made. Now let me gist you guys. Okay, there is this thing I normally do, which today I just thought about it. I was like, why do I keep making same mistake? Okay, it happens this way. Sometimes I want to formulate size charts. Yes, most times I use my hand. I sew. Once I do something for two, three people, I was okay. This size chart is for people in size 6, size 8, and it works perfectly for me. I do that always. Now, sometimes people give me clothes, say, make this for my teenage child, and they won't give me measurement. They'll just send me pictures. Now, I will use their picture, formulate their measurement, and I will make that cloth. It will come out fine. Now, here's the problem. I don't always save those measurements. I don't write it down. I don't know if you get me. I'll just in my head, I was okay, the shoulder should be 18, the chest should be 14. While I'm cutting, that is where I'll be trying to do this. I'll get my measurement book. I will look at the person's picture, look at similar measurements I've had before. Then I'll use it and cut that cloth. It will come out fine. It will come out perfect. I will not send it. I will make it and send it to the owner. Now they will not call me back and say later they'll be like, I want you to make similar things for me, for my son, for my daughter. Use that same measurement. Again. That is where we will not have problem. I will remember the measurement I use. That's just it. And for the fact that that one was perfect, I will want to make use of that same measurement. For days, I will sit and I'll be thinking, what did I make use of? What did I make use of? It's not like I can't sit down and formulate another one. But for the fact they love that one, I'm not looking for that measurement, for that size chart I used. I don't know if you understand me. So please don't make same mistake I made. If you have been doing this or you're just starting your own tailoring business or your own ready to wear, and you want to make a sample of one outfit or something like that, and it's okay, let me use shoulder 10, let me use chest 20 and all that. Please write it down. Write down your measurement. Write it down. So when it works, you keep on using it. Don't be like me. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Thank you.